Welcome to Goodwin Law Unplugged, Florida real estate and more. This podcast features candid insight from real estate industry professionals from all sectors. Your host, attorney Matthew Goodwin, a native Floridian and experienced real estate attorney, will provide his personal insight on legal matters and feature other professionals offering their candid advice. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, seasoned investor, or experienced real estate agent, there is something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on Goodwin Law Unplugged.
Hello, everybody. Matt Goodwin back, continuing the beginning of a series that is accentuating the top 10 reasons why you should choose a real estate attorney for your next transaction. Number one reason is expert legal advice. So I'm going to talk briefly about the role of real estate attorneys today. Real estate transactions, whether you're buying, selling, or leasing, are often complex and layered with potential pitfalls. And many of us feel equipped to handle these dealings independently. Relying on the expertise of real estate attorneys can be the difference between a smooth process and unforeseen complications. Question: why is legal expertise crucial in real estate? One reason is risk management. Properties come with undisclosed issues, from structural defects to legal disputes over land boundaries, and real estate attorneys ensure that all such issues are addressed and potential future conflicts are mitigated. Another reason is understanding of contracts. These real estate contracts can be dense, or in some cases, really thin. They sometimes are full of jargon, or often are full of jargon and difficult to understand, requiring you to either fill in the lines or try to interpret and bounce back and forth. But they govern the terms of the transaction and can have long-term ramifications. An attorney can help you clarify terms, amend clauses that might be unfavorable, and ensure that you fully grasp the commitments you're making. Another reason is protection of rights and interests. This is the cornerstone of an attorney's role. They ensure that your rights as a buyer, seller, or a lessor are not infringed upon, and that you're entering into agreements that are fair and equitable. For instance, if you're buying a property, an attorney can confirm there's no liens against it. Now, a title company might search for liens, but the real estate attorney can actually address some of the issues and resolve them all under the same roof, and surprisingly, at a reduced or in some cases, no additional cost. Real estate attorneys are ensuring that property taxes are up to date, that the prorations are correct, and verifying that the seller truly has the right to sell. And finally, negotiating and closing, right? So if you're working with a real estate attorney, they provide a ton of value. And not all of them are created equal when it comes to negotiation. And even the good ones still need that extra bump sometimes to that second opinion. So having that attorney provides an added layer of assurance. They can advocate for better terms. We can scrutinize the details of the deal and ensure that everything is legally sound. At the closing, they make sure all the documents are correctly executed and recorded, and that the funds change hands properly. So in conclusion, venturing into a real estate transaction without expert legal advice is like setting sail in uncharted waters without a map. While you might successfully navigate through, the risks and potential pitfalls can be detrimental. So it's not just about making a purchase or a sale. It's about safeguarding your interests, your assets, and your peace of mind. Real estate attorneys provide that anchor of safety, expertise, and guidance in an otherwise intricate process. So for your next real estate transaction, think twice about just going with any title company, and keep in mind the importance of engaging a real estate attorney and establishing a long-term relationship from your next transaction.
Thanks for listening to Goodwin Law Unplugged. To learn more about Goodwin Law and to utilize our services, visit GoodwinEstateLaw.com or call 239-207-3403. Hablamos Español. To submit questions or be a guest on a future episode, message us on our website or on social media by searching for Goodwin Law PA in Naples, Florida. This has been Goodwin Law Unplugged. Thanks again for joining us.